Yeah. Yeah. I guess it was goodbye. Yeah. I have lost faith, no trust for the same niggas, ayy. Do I say it, do I spray it, do I chill and hey? On my grind, try to reach the top of bed today, but I run in the shit, nigga wanna ride, that nigga will never see me, never be me. Hater wanna hate, but the nigga get screwed through. Hater wanna hate, that nigga will never do me, never do you, never wanna ride. Yeah, on the block, when a nigga hater crucified, dead with the burner, nigga wanna learn it. Yo, but that don't face me, I've been there. That don't face me, been there, I seen that. And I was locked up for the same things you worked to. When I was running the game, nigga was tripping, I take it away and flow that shit. Mobbing with a hater, but tight grip on that pistol, never let it slip. I ain't never letting go, cause as soon as I'm letting go, I ain't returning home. Haters try to mob, try to get the best of me, and I was sad, feeling stressed, get the less of me. I try to blast myself, gas strapped to the head, lock and loaded, pulled the trigger, but I ain't dead. I'm still here, accept that. Fill with life a new meaning, get that. Step back, cause when you piss me off, I'll bring a rock to your head and nigga drop, soft, no lock. Hater when hate, pull the Glock, never gonna stop for no stop sign. Wanna see the guy, pull the trigger, he's mine. Yeah, nigga, I'm fine. Ain't worry about time. I've been there, I've done that. Read my life, read my lips, it's what I'm preaching to them. The same things, it's what they preaching to them. It's seeing to them, and breathing to them. Haters try to hate, they ain't got no meaning to them. So I see that, I recognize goodbye to me and goodbye to the bad times. Where were you? There you once were gone, like treasure to make me once beyond Queen Beauty. Man,